I'm Silke, I play drums in Self-Help and Candy Says. Yeah, I was in a band at school called Random Article. We did like blues covers, 60s, 70s blues covers, like the Rolling Stones and the Who and stuff like that. We just played like local pubs. My band is called Self-Help. Self-Help play, I guess, trashy garage pop music. With the four of us that we are now, I think we've been together for about 2.5 years. But the singer and I started playing together about 3 years ago. I really like a double paradiddle, but I don't get to use it very often, the stuff that I play, unfortunately. But I do like a double paradiddle. When I practice by myself, I focus a lot on kick drum. Self-Help plays quite fast a lot of the time, so I have to be on point with that. So I do a lot of kick drum exercises. We played in France on the night that they won the World Cup, like outside on this big stage, and the crowd was just mental. They were lighting fireworks, and Sean, the guitarist, was crowd surfing. Yeah, it was amazing.